Welcome to Five Fires YouTube. Today we're going to be firing up over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Not only follow me on Instagram or X at the Caliban. Please subscribe, hit the like button, fire it up. I'm the main host, Monto. Let's do this. It is a beautiful, kind of drizzly Friday, but low crowds.
Yeah.
Most importantly, we saw a lot of people already leaving.
Yeah, good. Leave. We want to be by ourselves.
Yeah. What do you think, Junior? What are the odds that those walls are for horror nights behind Transformer? That's kind of why I'm here today, honestly. I just want to look at the walls.
My heart says that's for horror nights. I hope. I don't know.
Yeah, because it could be for FanFest.
Maybe the exit for the Dungeons and Dragons. Maybe
What, are they going to get a scare zone or something?
Meet and greet? I have no idea.
Yeah, because like when we were exiting the weekend, we just go out the door and then go right out.
Go right out, yeah.
There was no, where those walls went up would have been Texas.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
Exactly, yeah.
So that's how, I don't know. I don't know what those walls are for.
I don't know. My heart says horror nights. I don't know. It's 50-50. I don't know.
Yeah. And then all this rain's happening, so there's probably not big updates,
Yeah.
but we'll see.
I'm excited to see it, so let's find out.
All right. One thing we do want to do today, hopefully, you know, if it's open, studio tour. I want to get on the studio tour. I've been just getting a kick out of going on the studio tour lately. I don't know why. I've been in love with it. Get some Fast and Furious looks. I don't expect anything new, but it's just a rainy day Friday out here. Let's have some fun. I just love the views on these beautiful rainy days. I don't know if it's going to keep raining for the rest of the week, but we've had a lot of rain recently. Just wanted to check the merch real quick, see if anything's new. I've never seen these posters. They're selling them for $17. They even got this one. And then I got socks too for $17. So we weren't expecting much because, you know, it's rained all morning. But this team don't stop. They don't stop. They never stop. Look at that. That right there. That is new. So you're going to hit the launch right here. Loop. Come this way. Go sideways. And then big old loop. A big old loop down there. So we checked the weather report and it's supposed to stop raining like right now. No more rain. And there's like people up there, so this team's about to fire it up.
No, she's taking a drink already.
Dude, this team never stops.
Never stop.
They never stop.
Rain or shine, they don't care what pain you guys when it's done fast.
Dude, it's wild. Absolutely wild. Wow. Well, maybe we see more track as the day goes on. You never know out here. Let's go check Escalator Hill.
Let's do it.
Studio tour. And if we're crazy, maybe Jurassic. It's calling my name. It's open. I hear it right now.
No, it's open.
Yeah, I could hear it.
Finish it out, you know.
All right, let's do it. So we can confirm Jurassic World open today. I see people getting on right there. The line for Super Nintendo World, non-existent. 0 wait. And I could have sworn it said like 40 minutes on the chart. But that's a 0 wait line. Here we go. These are the walls that I was talking about. No update from the last time I was here. It has been raining though, so I doubt that like anything new would happen. We do keep seeing lots of wood keep arriving, and we know that's for Dungeons and Dragons because that's where the soundstage, that experience is going to be in that soundstage. What's interesting over here, you know, we've seen these like white markings, but then there's like an orange marking on the right of it, right there. Look at that. And then there's orange markings all throughout the street. See what I'm saying? What is going on? What is this? And if I'm not mistaken, this will be a horror night location. So we'll get a 10 at some point there. But the question is, those walls out there, is that horror nights? I was telling Junior, I was like, maybe it'll be like a Dungeons and Dragon, like they have food, maybe games and merch, and Kind of like a lounge or something.
Yeah, something like that.
I could see that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that would make sense.
But it doesn't make, to me, it doesn't make sense that it's like an exit area or like, you know what I mean? Or a queue, because Transformers is down for a while. So they're for sure going to use that extended queue over there on the left side.
I mean, what catches my attention, that fence on the other side, I'm like, it will never be up when they construct the Horror Nights right there. Never.
What do you mean? Let me see here. I'll zoom in. Where? This wall?
No, right here, this one? Like that
That one.
Yeah, that one.
Oh, so Junior's saying this wall, the closer one, that you would never see that for Horror
Nights.
Nights.
Never see that for Horror Nights when they construct the maze. Never.
So maybe it's FanFest then.
Yeah,
We'll go with the FanFest.
Maybe the exit or something.
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking.
All right. Well, let's keep going.
Yeah.
Here we got the escalator view for Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift. And then that new track that arrived, it's all on the corner. Let me zoom in. Look at that twist and turning. Wow. And all of that will take you in a big dive loop that's going to be happening on Frankenstein parking lot. Wild. And of course, this team never stops. They're working right now and it's drizzling. They never stop. We're about to go on the studio tour. They got Lopez and Lopez filming. E Entertainment, Access Hollywood, The Voice, Bel Air, St. Denis Medical, Hacks, Ted. They got a lot of stuff today.
With the front lot, which contains mainly sound stages. We have 36 sound stages in total on the entire lot, filming most of the interiors, the insides of the places. But you can fake the outside inside because we can control the lights, the sound, and even the weather. Range between 98% and 99.99%. Climb into the tree, go get some sleep. You wake up the next morning, there's a brontosaur right in front of it. And they feed it a little bit, and then the brontosaur sneezes all over Lexi. And Timmy says, "God bless you." Yeah, they were not on an island off the coast of Costa Rica. They were here. But the soundstage is mostly now used for television. With all Yes, let me hear it. Make some noise for King Kong 360 3D. One of the largest 3D experiences in the world. They were racing across the city. Now, these are not real buildings, they're structures. They're what we call facades, shells, and practicals. Facade silent film that came out in 1923 called The Hunchback of Notre Dame, starring Lon Chaney, the man of 1,000 faces, who played Quasimodo with that film. But it would be 8 years later, that would be the center of town, in what would be a place called Transylvania, in what would be the first in our block of Universal monster movies, Dracula, starring Bela Lugosi as Dracula, and then the angry villagers with their pitchforks and torches chased out Frankenstein the same year in the film Frankenstein. Our Universal monsters, the most important films and characters ever come out of Universal, they came out during the Great Depression to save the studio. We go bankrupt, we don't take the stories without those monsters and the okay, folks, this is California. You take the charters. It will pass. Nothing to worry about. So while we wait for it to end, if you take a look over the left-hand side, you're going to notice that the ceiling is glass. Okay, what's that? I'm sure that is just a picture card or a prototype. It's not actually filled with gas. At least I hope not. I mean, clearly I'm wrong. microphone for just a few moments. And I will get back to you as soon as I can. In the meantime, enjoy yourselves as we're taking everyone to the beach. Specifically the beaches of the Avenue, which of course is safe to jog. Directed by Spielberg. Sets opened for the studio tour on the exact same day that the film opened in theaters. First time that's happened in studio tour history, and also fulfilling a lifelong childhood dream of Mr. George Peele. He used to come here and take the tours, and with hopes of becoming a director, hopefully one day. He said, if I do become a director, I hope that something of mine is able to be featured on the studio tour, and here it is finally.
What do you think about Biff's car being pulled for production?
Oh, that's exciting, man. Really exciting.
You think it's for FanFest?
I definitely for FanFest, for sure. 100% for FanFest.
Especially because they just dropped that new trailer or like TV commercial for FanFest.
I kind of didn't like it. It's a lot of nothing, but
It was just please cosplay.
yeah, exactly. Like, we want you to wear the costume.
Yeah.
You know, but hopefully they do another trailer much better. But
Yeah, I feel we want to see the meat on the bone, you know, like
Yeah,
show us kind of what the walkthroughs look like.
That's what I want to see.
Some of the character outfit,
I want to see the courthouse, see how it looks.
Yeah.
All
Oh yeah, courthouse.
that.
Yeah. Hopefully we get a Biff trailer.
Yeah. That'll
You
be
know what
awesome.
I mean? So like whoever is gonna portray Biff actually driving the car.
Yeah, and then one of his buddies.
Come to FanFest.
Going after Marty.
Yeah.
While he's skateboarding.
Yeah.
That'd be awesome.
How do you feel about not going to do Supercharge ever again?
It feels good. I mean, it feels weird, but good at the same time, you know?
Yeah.
It's shorter now. The tour is shorter now.
Yeah.
I'm not going to miss it, but it's good.
Yeah, it's like
I'm not complaining.
it's like a good riddance.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
All right. We were thinking of doing Jurassic. It is too cold.
Yeah, it's
It
too
is
cold, yeah.
to my hands.
We'll save it for another trip.
Yeah. Let's go check a couple merch, baby, and let's get out
Yeah.
of here. We're over here at Hello Kitty store. They got this Karopi hat. Show you the back. 27. We got a couple t-shirts. I guess they're getting ready for summer. All these new hats. My Melody. We got some t-shirts. Some decorations for the room. And I still got a lot of this collection from the last time I was here. Not sold out. That is going to be all for today's adventure over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. We'll definitely be back next week at some point. Hopefully it's not raining as much. But